Today I'm going to share with you about Huawei P20 Pro mobile. About this mobile has enabled 2G, 3G and 4G networks. About its body, its dimension, you will get 155 into 73.9 into 7.8 millimeter. About its weight, it weighs 180 grams. It supports dual nano SIM and dual standby mode. It is IP67 certified, that is, it is IP67 certified, dust and water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. About its display size is 6.1 inches and it's got a resolution of 1080 into 2240 pixels, and it got a ratio of 18:7:9. It has got EMUI of 8.1. About its platform, it has got an OS of Android 8.1 Oreo. It has got a chipset of high silicon Kirin 970. It has got a CPU about octa-core 4 into 2.4 GHz Cortex A73 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cortex A53. GPU, it got Mali G72 MP12. About its memory, it has got no card slot, but its internal memory is 128 GB and 6 GB of RAM. About its camera, it has got triple main sensor 40 megapixel f by 1.8 lens plus 20 megapixel monochrome sensor f by 1.6 plus 8 megapixels telephoto lens f by 2.4, OIS, laser optics, 3 times optical zoom, face detection and laser autofocus LED flash. About its features of the camera, it got geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR and panorama. About its video, it got 2160 pixels at 30 fps, 1080 pixels at 30 by 60 fps, 720 pixels at 960 fps. It has got a secondary 24 megapixels f by 2.0 and 720 pixels. It has no 3.5mm headphone jack. It has got a 32-bit by 384 kHz audio. It has got an active noise cancellation with dedicated microphone. It has got 3.5mm to USB-C headphone adapter. Well, about its comms, it got NFC, it got infrared port, it got a USB of 3.1 type C 1.0 reversible connector. About its features, it has got sensors of fingerprint, that is front mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, color spectrum. It has got a fast battery charging, 4.5 volts per 5 ampere, 58% in 30 minutes. It has got MP3 options, it has got document viewer, it has got photo and video editor. About its battery, it has got non-removable lithium polymer 4000 mAh battery. About its MISC, it has got colors of twilight, black, midnight blue, pink, gold. It has got tests like of display. It has got contrast ratio is to infinite nominal 4.087 sunlight. About its camera, it has got both photo and video options. About its loudspeaker, it has got voice 71 dB by noise 69 dB by ring 91 dB. About its audio quality, it has got noise 92.1 dB by crosstalk 92.1 dB, and its battery life finally is endurance rating 89 hours. Well, I've given the links of Huawei P20 Pro mobile on the description of my video. You can check them out, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.